Before you begin installing your Defender security system, ensure you have thoroughly surveyed the indoor and outdoor locations you wish to monitor and decide exactly where your DVR and cameras will be located. For outdoor installation, take note of any entrance points that could allow you to run cabling from the outside of your property to the inside, such as an opening to an attic. Gather all necessary materials prior to beginning your installation, which will include power drill and bit set, an auger bit or drill bit that will be able to bore through your mounting surface, Phillips head screwdriver, camera mounting hardware, your cameras, DVR, and any additional cabling that may be required. You may also consider a ladder, wire cutters, cable ties, and fish tape. Be aware of any obstacles that may affect your installation. In our case, we decided to run the cables alongside the pipes on the ceiling, so we strung the cables along the top of any cross hazards we encountered. Begin by laying out the cables. This will help you visualize where they will be running in relation to where your DVR is situated. Make sure the ends of the cable labeled to DVR and to camera are kept with your DVR and camera respectively. If you are running cabling over pre-existing chase lines, try tie wrapping your camera wire to the chase line. Here, we fix the Defender cabling to the electrical line to reduce clutter and keep the environment clean. Wrap cables every 2 to 3 feet. If there are no chase lines on your property, affix the wiring flush against the wall with a cable bracket. After you prepared the cabling, you are ready to install your cameras. If you haven't already done so, you must now decide between surface mounting and in-wall installation. If you are installing a camera in a hard-to-reach location or one that's completely out of sight, you may choose to bypass the in-wall installation process and opt for surface mounting instead. As you can see here, the wire directly exits from the camera mount instead of going through the wall. However, if your camera will be within arm's reach, you may consider the in-wall approach. Installing the wires cleanly and hiding them in the wall makes your cameras much more difficult to tamper with. Please note that in-wall installation requires fire-rated cabling with FT4 certification. We will now demonstrate how to properly complete an in-wall installation. Prior to installing, position the camera where it is to be mounted and find the optimal picture. Watch for any potential glare that may occur and adjust accordingly. Drill a medium-sized hole precisely where you'd like your camera to be mounted. This hole should be no bigger than 1 1/4 inch in order for your camera to completely cover the hole when installed. You may need to drill a separate hole which will act as an entry point for your FT4 cabling if there are no pre-existing points of entry available. As you can see, our entry point at this location is several feet above where the camera will be mounted. Clear any debris from the entry points and feed the wires through the wall to your mounting location. We used fish tape, but you may also choose to pull your cabling through the wall with the included Allen key. Mark the specific points of where you'll be installing the mounting hardware by using your camera's mounting bracket and a pencil. Drill holes with a 3/16 drill bit and insert the wall anchors. When mounting dome cameras, start by taking the detachable mounting bracket and affixing it to the mounting hardware at your predetermined camera location. Connect your dome camera inputs to the wire and reattach the camera housing. For bullet-style cameras, connect the camera inputs to your cabling before using a Phillips head screwdriver to attach the camera flush to your mounting surface. Leave enough room between surfaces so that you can easily maneuver around the camera and adjust with the Allen key. Fine-tune the angle of all cameras for optimal picture quality. To learn more about DVR setup and maintenance, visit us online at defender-usa.com.